For a wet mixture, 1 cup of butter, 1 and 1/3 cup of white sugar. Mix together until it becomes fluffy. Place 4 eggs and then beat the eggs. 1 cup of milk and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and then mix it. For dry mixture, 3 cups of sifted cake flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/3 cup of chia seeds and then mix all together. Combine dry and wet mixture together and have the final mix. Fill in your cup about almost full. Top the muffin pan before placing it in the preheated oven. I don't really follow what cupcake and muffin should be, but here, if you need a flat surface for filling icing on top, you can simply slow bake the cupcakes in a preheated oven in 180 degrees Celsius in 20 minutes. And for the muffin version, almost full, preheat oven at 110 degrees Celsius in 10 minutes, and then lower it for baking in 180 degrees Celsius for another 10 minutes. See the difference? Muffin have to create a dome by bursting the oven in a high temperature on the preheating process, leaving the center uncooked till it climbs up to bake it lastly.